So hi, this is Jim Myrick with our series with Roger Palmieri, our mindset performance expert. And we're talking a little bit about something he likes to call net weaving, which is not to be confused with networking. So tell us a little bit about what's the difference between networking and net weaving, and how can we use that to help increase our business?
The most important thing is networking has been around for a long time. And normally when you go to a networking meeting, the first thing you always end up doing is introducing yourself to someone and saying, what can you do for me? Net weaving takes a little different approach to it. And what I mean by that is you go to these social or business functions, and upon introducing yourself saying, how can I help you grow your business? What can I do to help you get to where you want to go? And right away, you will find out that people respond to that very, very positively. They are excited about it because we go to these events and we're going with the wrong intention. And the wrong intention is to network, but it's all about you, and it should be all about them. And when you net weave, what we tend to do is bring value to that person that we're speaking to. And the net weaver does exceedingly well, because you always end up being the go-to person when people look for resources.
Well, that sounds a little more attractive than handing my card, give me business, give me business, give me business, right?
Exactly.
So we all know those type of people in there. Sometimes we've been that person.
Yeah, we have.
Okay, so remember, net weave, don't network, but net weave. So look forward to more videos from our mindset performance expert, Roger Palmieri. And again, on this video, you'll see his contact information if you are looking for any of his upcoming classes, or he's actually a personal coach for one-on-one as well.